Hello guys, this time I have an unboxing of my new Puma tennis shoes. Got it directly from them. This is the Vedano model. Already rip it up one of the sides of the bag. Let's see what's on the inside. It's just a green box with the Puma logo. And some information. Price I paid for it was $49.31. I don't know why it got so special. They were selling for up to $100. These are supposed to be the black color. There was some brown color, but I like black. Good guys wear black, right? Nice leather, real leather with Velcro on both sides. Double loop. Oh, this is cool. This is a metal Puma logo. Very, very nice. They're supposed to be very comfortable too. Size 9. Let's see how it fits. I have a pretty not so wide feet, but let's see how it goes. That's it, folks. Just wanted to show you what they look like. Casual dressing. They're supposed to help you when you're driving a car and it's a manual transmission. But I like them because they look fancy. Thank you.